Welcome, Radar Cars family. Today we're going to be talking about a homeowner's nightmare. More specifically, when you buy a home, you should be sure to inspect everything, even on the property. Not just the house, but everything, such as this nice shed. I don't know if you guys can notice, but that shed is crooked. It is leaning to the left side. So after I bought this home 3 years ago, I can't say it would have made a difference because there was already an offer on this home. So it's not like they would have had to have fixed this stuff. But let's talk about whoever installed this shed and what a fabulous job that they have done. Brace yourselves. Brace yourselves. Here it comes. Ready? No! That is how they're holding up this shed. This is a big shed. I've got a lot of stuff in here. Okay, see that there? That's a cinder block with wooden wedges hammered in. A cinder block that is hanging, a cinder block that is leaning heavily. But don't worry, they put some wooden wedges in there to hold it up. So yeah, I'm not holding the camera crooked. You are looking at the actual job that they did. This cinder block here, I just put there. That wasn't even there. All right, take a look under here. Nothing supporting those beams. The load-bearing beams, nothing supporting that one. You can see them starting to bow. Oh, look at this, another cinder block, which is compacted into the soil upon which it was set. Oh, but don't worry, there's a wooden wedge under there too, you know? That's gonna keep this thing safe that weighs thousands of pounds. So this is gonna be difficult to fix, and I need to do it myself because I prefer to spend money on cars and motorcycles. DIY all the way, kids. So aside from this tree being here, let's leave the tree. This is what I have to deal with. So any suggestions on what to do here would be appreciated. As you can see, this puppy's gonna probably drop at some point. It's already leaning over. I'm thinking I have to, the proper way to do this would just be to, get this thing up on some sort of jacks, get some concrete foundation laid, pour a column of concrete on each one of these to support it. I don't have that kind of skill. So I'm thinking jack this up somehow and at least fortify these cinder blocks. I don't know what else. I don't even know what would jack this up. I guess I'd have to get some sort of a hydraulic, like an electronic jack of some sort. Any ideas? This is why you always need to inspect everything when you buy a house. So at least you would know what you're getting into. I discovered this after I bought the house and I was like, wow. I never imagined anybody who would do a job like this. So anyway, it is sinking. As you can see, I've got a lot of heavy stuff in here. I guess I could load it over towards the side here. This shed's a mess. Got a mower, generator over there, saw table and a saw, snow throwers, lots of stuff in here. Air compressor, propane, push mower, tools. If somebody comes in here and this thing tips, you're dead. Somebody comes in here and this thing tips, you're dead. So I got to get this fixed ASAP. Don't really know what to do. Any advice would be appreciated. Any DIY advice would be appreciated. But yeah, that's what I'm dealing with, guys. A homeowner's nightmare. Discovering what a half-butt job these guys did. All right, guys, until next time, always remember the motto, always be kinder than necessary. All right, guys, God bless. We'll see you in the next one.